Welcome to the CBSplit screencast. In this screencast, we will explore CBSplit's new Frontend Toolbar feature. If you are using the latest CMS release, version 5.8.9 released on June 12, 2025, this feature is available in your CMS. When you are logged in as an admin, you can display a toolbar at the top of your Alive pages. This toolbar gives you quick links to edit the page you are viewing. To enable it, go to the Snippets section inside your admin panel. Here, you will see a system snippet called _system front top bar v1. This is the snippet that controls the Frontend Toolbar. Click on the snippet and then open the Insertions tab. Instead of manually copying the code, use Insertions to add this toolbar to the pages you want. First, let's add it to a selected page. Choose Homepage and save. Now navigate to the Pages section. From the left panel, find Home and click Alive Page to preview the toolbar. You will see the Frontend Toolbar floating at the top of the page. Now, let's try enabling it on all the pages of the CMS. Navigate back to the Snippets section and select any page in the Insertions tab. Go back to your site and preview it while logged in as admin. You will now see the toolbar available on all the pages of your CMS. From here, you can quickly jump into editing the current page. That's it. You have successfully enabled the Frontend Toolbar using the system snippet and Insertions.